See here students, it is a continuation of last video. So here also in this problem you people have to find out the period and frequency of the oscillation. So extension it is mentioned here and inbuilt mass of the car is also mentioned. Person's weight is given here. So you people have to find out the time period and frequency here. For that now see you have to apply the formula, that is fx is equal to minus of kx or k equal to fx divided by x here. So here 980 it is given here, that is f is equal to m into g it is given, then extension x is equal to, that is here mentioned as 2.8 centimeter, that you have to convert into meters. So it becomes here, that is 0.028 here. So you are getting k value as, after calculating, 3.5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter. Next see person's mass, that is equal to f divided by g here. So that is 980 divided by 9.8. You are getting here 100 kg here. So total mass, that is car mass and person's mass here to add here. So totally you are getting 1100 kg. Then substitute in the formula, that is time period t is equal to 2 pi root of m divided by k here. That is 2 pi root of 1100 divided by 3.5 into 10 to the power 4. So t is equal to 1.11 second here. Next f is equal to reciprocal of t. So that's why it is 1 divided by 1.11. So f we are getting here it as 0.9 hertz here. So see here next example, that is here series and parallel combination it is mentioned here. So just go through the diagram and read the question here. So in the two mass spring system shown in the figures here, K1, K2, K3 values are mentioned. K4 is equal to K5 here. So find the M such that the system has natural frequency of 10 Hz in such cases. For that now see here. See here, just go through the diagram. In the figure here, 3 springs are first connected in the series here. For that you have to see, that is formula 1 divided by ks is equal to 1 divided by k1 plus 1 divided by k2 plus 1 divided by k3 here. Substitute the values. So you will get here 1 by ks is equal to 1500. Therefore ks is equal to 667 Newton per meter here. Similarly for the parallel pair of springs here, that is kp is equal to K4 plus K5 here, that is K4 and K5 are connected in parallel here. Therefore here Kp is equal to, see here K4 plus K5, that is 500 plus 500, you are getting here 1000 Newton per meter. Let K1 be the equivalent force constant for the setup, that is for this first figure here. So that's why 1 by K1 is equal to 1 by Ks plus 1 by Kp. So substitute the values here, 1 divided by 667 plus 1 divided by 1000. So we are having natural frequency formula, that is f is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi square root of k1 divided by m here.